Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek Limited. Go ahead and take you for a tour. Those LED headlight surrounds don't really flicker to the human eye. It's just a refresher of the camera that makes them look like that. It also has fog lights, alloy wheels, your cargo space, your cargo cover. There's a preview of the interior. The Subaru is an all-wheel drive. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It's a black leather and orange stitching. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Just have a carbon fiber look to it. The accents. You see that you do have paddle shifters on this model. You see that overall you have 15,261 miles on this vehicle. You got your infotainment, cruise control, all set right up there on the steering wheel. Go ahead and turn this down all the way. Okay, so you obviously have connection through your Bluetooth. All right, so you bounce home and go to your settings and your radio. You do see that you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM as well as a CD. You can also play media through your phone as well. Okay, coming down here, you've also got your key fob, additional power supply down here, shifter, and your heated seats for the front. You've also got your X mode right here, your cup holders, and then additional stowage down there. And you also have your map reading lights up here. So that about wraps it up for the interior of the Subaru. It does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.